This is an unboxing and review of an all-in-one rechargeable camping fan. I call it an all-in-one because, along with the fan, it's also a 9 LED lamp and a USB power bank for emergency cell phone charging. The built-in support hook allows it to be hung up and used as a tent fan. It's portable and very versatile. In everyday use, it's usually on a night table in our bedroom, or in my car, or on my home office desk. Hi, hello, my name is Ron Z. I'm an electrical engineer and a guy who loves the outdoor life, nature, and conservation. The seller provided this device free for me to test, evaluate, and review. For me, this is essential camping gear. It combines a cordless fan with an LED lamp plus an emergency power bank in case my cell phone runs out of juice. It's an ideal companion to bring with me on camping, fishing, and hiking trips. This gadget is rugged. It's designed to absorb an occasional accidental drop or impact without sustaining damage. The upper case is made of rugged, durable ABS polymer. The stand is steel. The fan runs whisper quiet without vibration. I also find this portable gadget useful around the house. On my night table, it's busy circulating the air in my bedroom so I can get a good night's sleep. On warm days, this fan is usually on my office desk. It can keep you cool even if the electric grid goes out or if the air conditioning stops. And should power go off, the fan will still provide you with light and an emergency power bank that can be used to charge other USB devices. You are no longer tethered to a wall outlet. Take this fan wherever you want, out on the boat, use it in your RV, sitting by the lake, or cool off at the ballpark. The fan's dimensions are approximately height 8.6, width 8.6, depth 7.1 inches. Weight is 1.55 pounds. While small in size and lightweight in terms of fan power, it packs a punch and can really push around a lot of air. On the back of the fan is a convenient handle that makes it easy to carry about and enjoy a cool breeze wherever you are. The fan's housing rotates vertically 360 degrees. Of course, horizontally, the fan can be oriented in any direction. Standing on my desk, the fan is very stable. It has a wide, sturdy base that prevents the fan from tipping over. An S-hook on the bottom base allows the fan to be hung and used as a tent fan. You can position it most anywhere, at the top of your tent or hanging from an umbrella. On the bottom base, there's a screw slot to facilitate wall mounting. The fan was very well designed and thought out. It comes partially disassembled in the box. Assembly is a snap. No screwdriver or any other tool is required. Because this fan is battery operated, you can take it anywhere. Absolutely anywhere. When I'm using it indoors near an outlet, I frequently leave it plugged in while it's turned on. That way, it's recharging while I'm enjoying the breeze. Outdoors, it runs off the rechargeable battery. There is a knob on the back of the fan which turns it on and off and also controls the speed. Turning the knob clockwise increases fan speed. Fan speed regulation is continuous, variable, and smooth. Stepless speed regulation. This fan can work continuously for 12 hours at low speed or 6 hours at high speed. The 3 fan blades are white, translucent, efficient, and ultra-thin. When the lamp function is turned on, the LEDs shine right through the fan blades. I have this fan on every night in my bedroom, circulating the air, keeping me cool, and bringing me pleasant dreams. The airflow is super and sound is minimal. Noise is less than 30 dB. You can customize the direction of the breeze by positioning the fan horizontally or tilting the fan housing vertically. I've put this fan to another good use, outdoors on my patio. Placing it on a picnic table disrupts mosquitoes, gnats, and other bugs. Apparently, the breeze from a fan deters mosquitoes and keeps them away. It works. Now it's easy to take that cool breeze with me to my patio. Plus it keeps those nasty mosquitoes away. And I don't have to run an extension cord to get a fan out there. This fan has also been helping to cool me at my workbench in the garage where there is no air conditioning. Even in my car, we've used the fan to circulate the air so people in the back seats feel more comfortable. Light is a valuable resource at night, especially if you're camping outdoors or have a power outage at home. On the front of the fan, just below the fan blades, are 12 white LEDs. At the back of the fan is a white push button which controls these LEDs. There are 3 levels of brightness. Press the white button once for maximum brightness. It's enough to illuminate an entire tent. Press twice for medium brightness, or 3 times for a soft light. Pressing it a 4th time turns the LEDs off. There are 4 green LEDs on the back of the fan which indicate the level of the battery charge. They are labeled 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. These LEDs turn off when nothing in the device is being used. They show the battery level whenever either the fan is working, the lamp is on, the power bank is being used, or the fan is being charged. The 7800 milliamp hour power bank uses rechargeable 8650 lithium batteries. While the device is charging, both the camping fan and the LED lamp can be on. I like that this fan uses 8650 lithium cells because they have become a standard and have a good reliability record. That's a much better choice than using proprietary batteries. I also appreciate that the connector on the fan is USB-C rather than a micro USB or a mini USB. USB-C cable connections are easier to use. Plugging in either direction works. There is no right side. Either way works. A USB-A to USB-C cable over 3 feet long is provided. This fan supports charging up to 2 amps. I used the same wall charger that came with my phone. There was no heat built up during the charging or use. In addition to being a fan and a lamp, this device is also a 7800 milliamp hour power bank for phone charging. In an emergency, this fan can also charge your cell phone, tablet, or wireless earbuds. To charge your phone, use the same cable that was provided with the fan. In this case, the USB-A end goes into the fan and the USB-C plug goes to your phone. With the fan as my power bank, I'm able to recharge my cell phone twice, going from 0 to 100%. In an emergency situation, this feature could literally be a lifesaver by allowing you to make an important call. This power bank can also be used to charge tablets or wireless earbuds. Have a device like this one and you'll be prepared for warm weather and many emergencies. This fan features high-end technology at an affordable price. It's a portable fan, lamp, and power bank all in one. On sweltering hot summer days, I am enjoying the breeze and keeping cool. You can even take this fan down to the pool or the beach. And remember, at low speed, the fan goes for 12 hours of consecutive runtime on just one charge. Another benefit for me was preventing annoying mosquito bites while I relaxed on my back patio. This is a neat little device for use indoors or outdoors. I like this fan a lot. It gets a 5-star rating. I hope you found my presentation enjoyable and helpful. Channel subscribers will receive notifications as new best value reviews are posted. Goodbye for now, and good luck.